Good morning. How are you? I'm Donna from That Simple Life, and I'm here with day 3 of Tips for Simple Living. Today I want to talk to you about a great way to fold your sheets. You know that dreaded fitted sheet that's so hard to fold? I learned this method from a magazine when I was a young mom and wife, and I've been doing it for years and love it. When you are finished with this method of folding your sheets, look at this beautiful stack you're going to have for your linen closet. It's got the pillowcases in it and everything. So let's get started. All right, to get started, take your top sheet and fold the 2 short ends together with the pretty side out. And then you'll have a smaller rectangle, and then fold the sides together again from side to side, and you will have the size of rectangle you need to work with. As you can see here, I've got a medium-sized rectangle. Now I'm going to take the bottom and fold that up to the top. Smooth it out and fold the bottom up again. And now the top sheet is just the size and shape you need it for making this packet of sheets. Next, let's get started on the dreaded bottom sheet, and you'll see here in my video that it gave me a little hassle trying to do it on film. You take your corners on your short end and fit them into the corners on the opposite short end with the pretty sides out. Now I've got my hands in the corners and I put them together and fold one set of corners over the other set of corners. This is the part that looks a little awkward on film. I'm just putting all of them together. I've got 2 sets of corners now and just trying to smooth it out into a rectangle. Come on, sheets, cooperate with me. Here we go. All right, so I have a fitted part at the top of the rectangle and a fitted part on the right side of the rectangle, and I'm just smoothing it all out, trying to show you what that looks like. And now again, I'm going to take the bottom, I guess I take the top of my rectangle and I start folding and sort of rolling it into the right size so that it's about the same size rectangle as the top sheet underneath it. Smooth it out. Then I tri-fold it. Fold 1/3 over, fold it over again. Now I've got a beautiful little packet of the fitted sheet. I put that into the middle of my top sheet, and then I've got my 2 pillowcases, which I just fold them end to end on the short side twice, then tri-fold them. And now I can put them in the packet and fold one side over and the other side over. And look at this beautiful little packet ready to go in your linen closet. It's really nice to get this whole stack out. Everything is together, and change the sheets. I hope you give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, liking, commenting, and I'll be back tomorrow with day 4 of Tips for Simple Living. Take care.